It's Michael from Wrong Brothers, and today I'm doing a kind of different video. A video that might help some, and a video that might help some people, and a video that might help. Okay, let's get right in. So, let's say you're playing or doing something on your phone, and then you turn it off, or it just black screens. Now, hold on, before we get into this tutorial, my phone works functionally. I can't really show it to you because I have no way of making my phone black out. But I wouldn't want to recommend it. But for those of you that do have a blackout phone, this is the video for you. So, what you want to do? So, let's say you're not turning on your phone, or you're turning on your phone. Power button doesn't work. This doesn't work. No buttons work. Or again, my phone will turn on because it works. But what you need to do is basically you need to hold down the home button right here, and you hold down the power button like this. Now, to give you the best representation, the best accurate thing, I'm going to slide off my power thing right here. Just give me 1 second. Okay, so let's say you hold down the power button. Well, my phone didn't just die, it's still starting up again. So your phone won't turn on, the power button isn't working, the home button isn't working, sound button isn't working. You need your phone to get on, and it's not turning on. Don't worry, I've got the solution. What you need to do is you need to hold down your power button and your home button like this. And you should see an Apple logo. Here we are. So you should see your Apple logo. Basically what this does, and correct me if I'm wrong, I think it resets the phone. None of your data gets deleted, it's just I think it resets the phone. So it can do this. But after a couple seconds, it should turn on. It's not turning on. There, it just got a little bit brighter. And it did now. It'll turn on. Any day now. Any day now. Well, after that turns on, if it didn't work, let me know, you guys, and I'll try and figure out a solution. This doesn't really take long. Yeah, see, here we go. It's back on. My phone is back on. Nothing's been changed, and your phone should be working. I mean, it may take a couple seconds to do everything and get set up, but your phone should be up and running. So if your phone ever blacks out, don't fret. All you have to do is just do my little tutorial here, and you should be able to get your phone back up and running, get that Pokemon Go back and get that Pokemon Go running again. You know, doing whatever you do on your phone. I hope this worked, you guys. If it didn't, or if it did, leave a like, subscribe, do all that stuff to let me know. Your thanks. You can leave a comment saying thanks, but I really appreciate it if you would just subscribe. Alright, enough talk about that. I gotta go outside and play some Pokemon Go, so I'll see you guys later.